up, DCB fam? Back in Houston, Cars and Coffee. Some boys coming out hard this morning. They ain't playing no games. Look at that. Oh, damn. Weather is beautiful out here. Man, they just better not get in my way because I'm in my truck today. So, yeah, my baby still ain't ready yet. But after Cars and Coffee, we're gonna go check the progress, see what's going on. We're gonna ride by the shop. I know we got the engine back in, we got the kit on, so we'll see what the progress is. Man, it might be better for me to park across the street or something stupid packed over here. But yeah, man, back in Houston once again. Y'all know this is my second home. Y'all watch these videos, stay tuned to my channel because I'm always in Houston. This where it's at, man. Lake Charles, I love my city. You know, we got our little car stuff we do, but this where it's at, man. We're gonna park right quick and then we're gonna hop out to that vet. That's clean, like this old school truck right here. But look, I'ma say it when the video first started, man. Y'all go subscribe, man, if y'all watching this video, man. Don's Car Visions, man. Just getting my channel started, man, you know, having fun with it. I just purchased Lamborghini Huracan, and hey man, it was too slow for me. You know, my vet making about 1,000 crank horsepower, so I had to make the Lambo match. Ooh, that was a curve. Alright, let's find somewhere to park right quick. If you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, I was on side this Hellcat on the interstate. This thing is clean. I love this thing. So let's hop out. For all you Cobra fans, this is a sexy little car right here. But yeah, we back at Cars and Coffee, y'all. Once again, y'all stay tuned to my channel. Y'all subscribe, man. All y'all gonna see is cars, cars, and cars. So if you don't like cars, you're on the wrong channel. It ain't just gonna be no, you know, plain Jane cars, man. I'm getting into the exotics. I like to see all kind of cars. I mean, old school, new school. So I'm doing this for the people that can't make it out to these events. I'm here for y'all. Check out these Mustangs though. So if you don't know much about Cars and Coffee, make sure I lock my truck. If you come to Cars and Coffee, I'm not exaggerating, you gotta get here about 6 a.m. or right before the sun come out, whatever time that is. Because if you don't get here at that time, then you gotta fight the traffic in the parking lot. That's sexy right there. That boy put the finger up on that boy. I know I'm clean. And you know, the cool thing is too, I make Cars and Coffee today. I ain't got none of my cars, but it's all good because I can come out here and enjoy myself. Last time I came out here, I had my car. I mean, you got people all on your car. I mean, they want to take pictures. It's kind of nerve-wracking a little bit. So today I ain't got the car, so I'm gonna nerve-wrack some other people. I'm gonna be all on their cars.
13 was last year, and
oh my God, look, I know y'all can see the leather, but I wish y'all could smell the leather. Man, this thing smells so good. Man, it's nasty.
it's a regular height.
That Bruce Wayne.
No, the black pot.
Right. Man, this thing is gorgeous.
Mad.
Thing clean. All right, let's see what we got out here. Smell that race gas. This thing smells good. This thing is gorgeous. It's clean right there. Oh, them wheels. Check this thing out. Crazy. Go on the ground with it. Tough. Mustang guys, loving this one. Hey, y'all loving this one, boy. This is clean, clean, clean. This thing is perfect. On the ground. Can't get my finger in there. Well, the thing about Cars and Coffee is that like you can't see everything. So much going on, so many cars. And me, as soon as I see a nice car, I go run to it, check it out, and then I hear something rev up, and then I go, look, look. 488 Italian, brushed. Got brushed aluminum wheels on it. It's clean. That car's a coffee, bro. I'm in Houston right now. Look at all these, taste the rainbow, bro. Look at these colors. Look at this Viper though, bro. Got 22s in the back, 21s in the front. Sexy car. Car sexy. Check out this GTS. You see them all the time. Thing got 220 on the dash. The car all motor. Well, got beautiful weather out here today. Man, I'm paying for it. It's hot. Look at these Porsches out. Man, this thing now, 720S. Put your gas in right here on this thing. Oh my God.
So let me know what's coming out. Yeah, just leave them. Oh yeah, I was telling you.
I want to see what 2,000 horsepower look like. That's what it look like right here. They got a Thunderbird club. This thing is clean. So y'all, they got something for everybody out here. The Lambos or Thunderbirds. Got the old Cutlass out here. 570S, full Alcantara suede. That's so sick. That's clean. Buy your wife a grocery getter, perfect one. Got everything out here. Got cammed out Tahoes. They ain't got a purpose being cammed, but they got a cam on. What is that? Got the mango Porsche. It's already about to fire it up. What's the asking price?
This one here with the options, this is about 365.
365?
Yeah.
365.
Yeah.
All right, let's go see if we can catch everybody rolling out for all the action in. Oh, the wheels. All right, I had to get out of there, y'all. It's hot. Look at this crowd over there, man. So I'm about to go to where everybody be rolling out at, see if we can catch us a crowd killer Mustang. This where everybody be rolling out at, clowning, leaving here, getting their car sideways, getting pulled over, running into other cars. I already hear the lawman out there. I'm about to hop these bushes though. See a little spot we can get through. Ooh. Oh, hit that thing, man, hit it, come on. As y'all can see on my channel, I'm a fan first, like all day. Yeah, I got my cars, but I'm a fan. I'm a car fan. I'm out here with the people that ain't even got cars. I'm up in the crowd trying to see what they trying to see. Oh yeah, everybody lined up to see these cars. Oh, boy, I had the Toyota to the floor. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Focus. You know what's the crazy part? They got all these guys y'all see out here, like this little group of dudes, these little guys right here behind me talking. They probably know more about cars than I do. They be the little dudes that ain't got a car, can't afford a car. They can tell you more about your stuff. They got some good pictures today, bro? Yes, sir. Y'all did, huh? That's what's up. Yeah, they be knowing more about cars than me, and that's what I do for a living. Everybody rolling out. I'm rolling out too, man. About to jump in the truck, about to go check out what's going on with the Lambo. Hey, give me something to drink. All right, DCV fam, we made it to my boy Ted's shop where the Lambo at. I need to show y'all his whip, show y'all what this boy working with, man. Check this thing out. Pretty much same setup I'm doing. 2 twin precision 62, 66s. Boy, Ted coming hard, bro. Boy, I got 20s in the front, 21s in the back. Look at this thing, man. This thing is sick. And I ain't no purple fan, but man, this thing is beautiful. What y'all think about it? Shoot some comments. This thing is nice. Pretty much his car. He got Alcantara suede on the seats. Beautiful. Matte black roof like mine. He got these intakes right here. Pretty much like a ram air. Forces the air in. Everything nice and tight on this thing. Y'all can see how the tranny sit in these things. Show off valves. Comes right off the exhaust. You see the exhaust right there. Goes right to the hot side. I don't know if y'all can see that. Try to give y'all a eye full. Thing sure is sexy though. This is what you call eye candy right here. It's called mesh carbon. AC ducts in this thing. Gorgeous, man. Gorgeous. All right, let's go check it out. Y'all can see got GTRs, Benzes, everything up in here. I'm kind of big. Put my whole fist in that thing. Ooh.
Yeah.
That's nasty, bro. That's nasty.
But it's on the Civics.
What?
Yeah.
That thing's sick, bro. All right, come check my turd out.
Yeah, she back me, man.
She back up? See what we got going on. Get to see all the goodies, bro. It's clean.
And the way he did it, when you look down, you'll be able to see everything. You know what I'm saying? So the wastegates are here, everything like that. Beforehand, they were kind of hidden and stuff like the Ted's kit, they're kind of hidden.
Oh,
So
okay.
whenever you open up yours and you look down,
You see everything.
Everything's right there.
Yeah, that's clean, bro. Whew, I see what I be doing, huh? Ooh, this thing is dirty. Get a little look at that. What's going on under here? Intercoolers. Oh, I got so much going on under here. Another intercooler on this side. Got the drive shaft that runs to the front. So y'all can see that. The front diff that sits right here. I hit a pothole in this thing on the interstate, both sides. I just knew I bent it around, but it ain't bent. My stupid butt did this, coming off the trailer. All it did was bang up a little clear. I'm about to cut this, put a new clear strip on it. This is my trunk, bumper.
It'll be crazy when we get back out there though.
Huh?
That boy is running out there.
Who?
That north side corner. Well, always messages me.
Who there?
The 720 versus the Cowboy Motorsports Twin Turbo Viper.
What's up, bro?
What up, dude? That thing just popped right here, bro. Nah. It look like you done did this a couple times. Oh, dang, I just thing. That boy got that thing out of there quick, huh? That's what I told him. I said, look, you done did this a couple times.
Yeah.
Well, YouTube came in here, we done checked it out. They're telling me a couple more weeks, so a couple more weeks. We'll be back, get this thing on the road, and can't wait to see what type of power this thing gonna make. Them boys are get it, man. They might be talking about me, I don't know. Man, I didn't even know water. I'm about to pass out. Hot. Got a McLaren over there. I think that's a 575 LT. This thing right here, this bad boy making 1,500, bro. 1,500 horsepower on this thing. Yeah, man. I'm excited, man. I can't wait to get my little Lambo back. Get on the road. I hope y'all enjoyed this day, man. We had a little fun today. I can go to Cars and Coffee and come check out the Lambo. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and leave me some comments. But I'll see y'all in the next video.